Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Google AdWords MCC accounts. If you're a master of multi-client management or aspire to become one, this is the ultimate guide for you. So, what is an MCC account? It stands for My Client Center, and it's a powerful tool for managing multiple AdWords accounts from a single place. With an MCC account, you can monitor and optimize all your clients' campaigns efficiently. Managing multiple clients can be a daunting task, but fear not. AdWords MCC account makes it a breeze. You can access all your client accounts with just one login, saving you precious time and effort. But that's not all. With MCC account, you get a bird's-eye view of all your clients' campaigns. You can quickly analyze performance, spot trends, and identify areas for improvement, all from a single dashboard. Imagine being able to make changes to multiple accounts simultaneously. Well, with MCC account, you can. You can apply changes, such as ad scheduling or budget adjustments, across multiple clients with just a few clicks. And here's another amazing feature: MCC account allows you to share data and insights easily with your clients. You can generate comprehensive reports, showcasing campaign performance and demonstrating your expertise. When it comes to managing multiple clients, efficiency and organization are key. And that's exactly what an MCC account provides. You can organize clients, create sub-accounts, and set access levels for team members, making collaboration seamless. So, whether you're a digital marketing agency or a freelancer managing various clients, the Google AdWords MCC account is your ultimate ally. Mastering multi-client management has never been easier or more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Happy client managing!